Hi everybody, Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope you had a great weekend. We're looking for an amazing trading day like we do every single day. So let's head over to the main screen. You ain't gonna believe it. My boy Bobo right there. Had a big nice drop just now on the 1 minute in the SPY. Actually, see if I can fix this. On the SPY on the 1 minute right here. Head over to the day trading room. Let me show you what's going on. Everybody getting paid in the Mojo room. I don't know what your chat room's doing, but let me show you what happened. And I got the Heinz hat, guys. Gotta love it. Mojo Day Trading. So right here we have a competition, actually. This was my golf round. Beautiful this weekend. So we have a competition. This May we're having the largest day trading competition in history. Partnered up with a company called TradeNet, and 10 winners are going to get funded accounts, and the winner is going to get a $240,000 account. Basically, in a nutshell, you get a $240,000 account to trade for 10 days. The top 10 will get hired and funded by the company, and then the winner will get a $240,000 account to trade. Really a lifetime opportunity. You should journal all your trades. Here's my golf round. This was yesterday. Let me show you Saturday. Driver hit the fairway. They asked me, Mike, who you playing with? I'm like, dude, that's fairway, distance, on and putts, club, plus and minus. So I can recall every shot. I have a legend system. 3 stars is the best drive. My ultimate couldn't be better. A star is just the sickest. So there's rarely a star, and then a 2 check mark hits the fairway, but it's not really that great. And then a 1 check mark would be a shitty drive. And I hit the fairway, 5 wood, pitching wedge from 132, on and 3, 2 putt. Second hole, par 3, hit the green, 9 iron, 155, on and 1, 2 putt. And none of them were real close, or I would have put that. Par 4, I hit a 4, 3 check mark drive, pitching wedge 130, exactly from the 132 on the first hole. Nailed it right there, on and 2, 2 putt. Then I hit a drive with a star, 320. I was 175 away, and I hit a 7 iron. The wind was with me 10 miles an hour. I was on in 2, and I 2 putted on the par 5, -1. Then I went a 3 wood, double check mark, A wedge 125, driver 3 check mark, L wedge from 72, 15 feet away, made the birdie. Then I hit a 3 wood, 9 iron, 160, par there, pitching wedge 132 again, par, and par that for a 33, 2 under. And then I continued, par, bogey, par, birdie yesterday, bogey, par for a 36. And this was Sunday's round. Just keeping track of every single stroke so I can recall and become a better golfer. Park Ridge and Palm Beach National. Here's when I used to be, this was years ago. That's 310 carry, 340. $340. That was nice. And I got my Heinz hat. So then look at the futures drop. It was $29.50. They started coming in 32, 25. Look at this drop. See the drop from $29.49 This is where we were short. I called it 29.49, right up there at the top, 29.49.30. And there's the drop, 21. Wow. 29.07 stopping station. Then it went under 2,900 to 28.89. I Heinzed it, made a quick 112, back on the one through 2,900. Then they're down 50, made 237. This was last night at 6:27 p.m. Down 452 on the futures. Then this guy Sammy came in, speaking with him. He didn't even know what Heinz was, but Heinz is a trade play that works when you buy a stock just under the even number. Momentum and positive expectancy takes through. Come and learn that in the MOJO Day Trade room. And Renteria last night has 500 shares of UV at 31.34. UV's 35. Here's the newsletter that went out on April 29th to buy UVXY and TZA and or your choice. He bought UVXY. Some of the other guys bought TZA. Start counting the Benjamins right there, down 533. And bloody good. Payday. Rhodesy's got the SPY options. He's got SPY puts. My boy Rhodes. And then this morning we came in, Pro Trader Klopp with a $3,600 profit on the TVIX, same as UVXY position that I had all my traders hold. So if you are an emotional trader or you just need, confirmation on your own decisions and, you're on the borderline, you don't want to take a lot of risk and you need some assurance, ask the Mojo. Ask me. I would have made you stay in that position, at least half of it, of what you had. Because, I spoke to a lot of my traders about the market correction and what was going on. And then we have Mr. Bohan and Mr. Klopp here this morning. I need to make a change to my account. Okay, Bohan says, good luck, whatever you do. I usually don't hold UVXY or TVIX overnight, but I got lucky this time. I do feel the market was due for a drop. However, I held because I listened to Mike as much as possible. As I'm sure you know, he's the best there is. Mike's the man. How sweet it is, TZA. I'm Master Mojo. You should come join the Mojo room. You trade 24 hours a day, crypto, futures, stocks. You come and join. I'll introduce myself to you. We'll hang out. And that's what goes on. So let's go back to the main screen. 289.63. What's DWT? Traded that. Oh, no way. Is it 18? Shit. You ain't gonna believe it, dude. 618 by fucking 19. You ain't gonna believe it, dude. You ain't gonna believe it. Look at this freaking shot, bro. I foffled. I did all kinds of shit. Look at this freaking pick. Oh my gosh. Look at this shit. You ain't gonna believe this. Oh, my room ain't on. Let me get the room. Hey guys, good morning. It's Pro Trader Mike. You ain't gonna look at this shit, guys. You ain't gonna believe it. Look at this. So look at this. Ready? Look at this. I'm tracking. Believe this. I do one trade on. I foffled at 29.01 right there, and then I'm in looking at DWT because it does a dip. It's 6:08. This is my journaling in my journal. It's 6:08 by 6:09, and I nail CL for a quick 20 spot right there, and then I trade it again. And then it goes 6:09 by 6:10, and it's 61.50. I traded it 61.56 to 61.50. And then it goes 6:10 by 6:11. 61.47. 611 by 612 and 612 by 613, it goes 61.43. So I could have made another 7 little pippers right there. You won't believe where it is now. Just on that move of 7 cents, check this out. CL is 61.23. So it's fallen 20 pips. One lot, $200. Each pip's $10. Just on the move from 612 to 13, and now it's 618 by 19, and it's 61.23. Because I short, as DWT goes up, that one goes down. Amazing. Getting really good. It's because I would have held that with 1,000 shares for that 7 cents. So I'm getting better at doing it with these. See, it's 617 by 18. I just nicked 20. No volume between 1,000 shares made it go to difference of a couple of pennies right there. I made a big dip down. Now it's making a big. So in the link, in my link, down below of the video, I have a link for that contest. It's also on my homepage for MOJO. So if you go to MOJODayTrading.com, this is it. Let me listen. Listen.
All around the world will be trading at $240,000 live demo account. If you win the competition, you will be funded with a real live $240,000 account. That's almost $250,000. Can you make it? Do you have what it takes to become a trader? Sign up now to prove it. And here's how the competition works. Each competitor gets a $240,000 demo account to trade with. You have 2 weeks or 10 trading days to trade the demo account. Whoever has the highest account balance by the end of the competition is the winner. The winner gets, as I mentioned before, a $240,000 funded account to trade with. Instead of this trader's swap package valued at $9,000. In fact, all 10 winners get funded accounts ranging from $40,000 to $240,000 with total of more than.
Dudes, do you hear this? This is the opportunity of a lifetime for everybody. First time had it, and probably not the last, but until the next one, may not be that opportunity for you. If you're a trader or aspiring to be a trader, this is an opportunity for a free trading account to prove yourself. If you have a system, show how good you can prove it. If you have a strategy, show how good you can prove it. If you trade well, you'll get funded and you'll have a trading account and you can grow that with the same strategy. And then over the course of 6 months and a year, you can really be something serious. So that's how that works. Let's go back and listen to the rest of that.
$1 million to trade with. Can you make it to the top 10? Click here and sign up and prove to the world that you own it.
Telling you boys, that's it. I got it on my homepage. It's the best thing there. Didn't have my own account to trade, I'd be doing that. Hooking everybody else up with their own account to trade too, so they can do it. Looking for a great day in the day trading room. Pro Trader Mar, great job. Thank you, sir. There, my boy. There he is. All right, what do we got? So CL 6130 now. Yeah, that was an unbelievable move. DWT must have came down to like 15 or 16. Yep, told you. See? It was 20, 61, 23 when it was 19, and now it was 15. That's why I looked over. It was 61.30, so it came back up. So that means DWT came back down a couple of pennies. Got it down like a... Yep.
Well, yeah.
Dudes, you listen to this video or find out, you sign up for that trading competition, man. That ain't no joke. And ching it, man. Don't hit the rim. Swish it. Can't believe J-Nug's not up with the gold with the market like this. Dow's going to be down freaking huge. UVXY is 35.39. Guys, they're good. It's up 13%. It was up 17% this morning when we nailed it. They had to wake up early in order to get that. At 5:46 a.m., it traded 66,000 shares at 36.85. 36. Now it's 35.30. That's $1.50 difference. And on shares like my traders had, 2,000, 1,000, they're out of there. That's why we got up early. Early bird gets that worm. Your day trade room probably is looking at some small cap stocks, and the moderator's going to call it out, and he's already going to be in it first. And then the whole room's going to buy it, and half the room's going to make money, and then half the room's going to lose money. But there's thousands of people in the room, so it really makes no diff. You got to be in that inner circle. So if you don't pay them the big dollars to get in the inner circle, they don't hook you up with the picks first. They hook up everybody else that paid them the big dollars. Doesn't that make sense? Wouldn't you do that? Duh. So, yeah. And they don't say, you know, it's like, sorry, I won money on the trade, but you lost. Not my traders. All my traders, we make money on all the trades together, or we lose money together. All right, so they don't say that. It's called front running. They jump in and then they nail you down. That shit's dropping 61.20 to 61.30. It's going nuts, DWT. It's popping 60. That's all over the place right now. Back to 16, 18, 19. It's 61.24, 61.22, 61.20 on the futures. Dropping like a rock now, dude. It was just 61.30. That's a 10 pipper right there. Just on that move from 16 back to 20. Boom. Big, big move right there. Big, big move. Chopper making money. So Clopper made $3,000 this morning at 6 a.m. We got in there. And then what else happened? That's my... Carol's here. My dog's lazy. He is, dude. 620. Going through DWT now. Look, 621, 6115, 6114. That shit is dropping, man. I should have been short when that thing went to 15. Dude, 6130 to 6115. It's 15 pips. That future's moved. 6122. It's dropped more. You want to see the move? Look. Here's the move. Right here. I'll show you. So that move was right here. This was 15, and this is where it is now. The first line is 615, and the second line is 621. So if you look right here, when at the top of this line at 635 in this green bar and the top of this red bar is when it ticked to 615. It ran all the way up almost to 6140. And then turned around 617, 18, 19, 20. Now it's 21. And it's down here at the bottom. It's 6115. From 6135 to 6115 on one lot is $200. 1,000 shares, it would have to move 20 cents to make $200. Here, it only moved 4 cents to make $200. That's the futures. And it only costed, to do CL, costs, one tick is $10. Here's the information on it. I'll give you a shot. So right there, one tick of 0.01 is $10, and it costs $4,095. So if you would have done one lot at 61.35 when it was the 616, now on that dip, and now sold it at 61. Where is it? 61.15. Because it's 21. 621. It moved 5 cents. That's 20 ticks and $200 on that move. From there to there. So when DWT goes down, you get the green bars. When DWT goes up, you get the red bars. I'm done for the day. I don't know about you guys. I already told my boss, I'm done for the day. I made my profits. Tomorrow will be another day. See where the market lies. What time is it? 9 o'clock. Everyone's driving to work and going to work. Mojo traders are pretty much done for the day. That's right. Look at UV popping like a rocket. Now going to go through 36. Heading up to 36. It was only, look at the 14% on that UV. What's the VIX? VIX is 1745. My boy called it at 1580 was the tip top for a hold buy. Came back down. We just freaking knew it was a temporary little dip. Spicetonians right there. Just took a monstrous drop. I could have got the SPY. Show you what they did. On that drop down right there. Show you a little comparison. So right there on that drop down. On the SPY on the 1 minute, that just dropped down under 50. Here's the information on that. See, it doesn't matter if I miss these because I've already made on these. It doesn't make a difference. So then you have these. Ooh, that is a big drop. It's 298.50 now. It's even dropping more. It's a 33. Damn, that was a big one. Look at that drop. So that drop right now, it's at 33, but this is to 45. One tick is $12.50. And it just dropped, dropped from 29.01. And this is the most liquid thing there is, guys. So it dropped right here. Each line is $12.50. So on this drop right here, it was 29.0150. See it? 29.01. So we'll go under 2,900 in reverse Himes. It cost one lot is $6,930. And it ticked from 29.01. That's 12.50, 25, 37, 50. So each one of these from 29.01 is $50. So that's 50. That's 100. 150. That's 200. That's 300. No, 350. $400 on that move right there. 350. $350. Just on this move right here. And now it's 33. It's not even 47. It's even lower than that. So one lot for $6,000, you just made $300 on that trade. That was pretty sweet. And that's with TD Ameritrade. I'm doing that with TD Ameritrade. If anybody has any questions, come to the MOJO Day Trade room. Click on my name up here. Go Pro Trader Mike, right click and hit message. And message me. Or come in the chat room area down here and say hello. And we'll chat with you. You guys like my new hat? See my new hat? Yep. Badass. Oh, love it. $7 a.m. done for the day. Dante Rico. That's nice. Yep, absolutely. All right. AMTX is doing good today. Keeps on going by. AMTX. Look at this little one. 2.5 million Amadeus, guys. Sick. Same pattern, right? They actually, yeah, look at that thing, dude. Damn. What's the news on that AMTX? Let me show you. If you guys are watching this over at the Trade Net, watch. Let me show you the room. Let me show you some of the features of the MOJO room. So you can post any picture you want. You do a screenshot, and you could post that baby in there. So let me show you really quick. So the whole room could see this shot right here. Besides the screen share, I come in real quick and I bang out a quick screenshot like that. And then you're like, dude, what is that stock? And you're like, float AMTX. Boom. And then it'll put up the float for you. Price is 87, last 19.5 shares, floats 18, short ratio, insiders, everything. Then you go news right here. Or you can also go chart if you want. Chart on AMTX. See? Boom. And then it'll throw up the chart for you like that. And then you go news AMTX with an exclamation, and it throws up the news, and all the rooms, like, it's so interactive. It's the best. Blows away Webinado because that's $500 a month. This room's free. Very end, and people don't have to sign in. It's always on and stuff. It's the best. And you could click the links and do a lot of features that Webinado don't have. They got a 23 million BioD supply pack with India. That's what they did. This was one of my picks from the that report I did on the biodiesels, AMTX, with Gevo. What is Gevo up to these days? Dude, Gevo's $2. Every time you buy it at 2, you sell it at 3. Go ahead and buy it at 2. Sell it at 3. I was thinking that this weekend one time in the Dracar drive. Gevo, buy it at 2. Sell it at 253. What else you got? Zixi did real good. You want to see something crazy? Let me show you. Time is it 9:13? So one of my competitors, dude, it's bullshit. Jason, you know, dude, at least show one fucking loser, dude. Give me a fucking break. There it is. All right. Unbelievable. Okay. So check this out. I get an email. Jason and the boys. Dude, you guys have been nailing them. Look, Tesla, SPY, WWW, nailed. And Kyle, look, option, nailed. All these emails, nailed. Congratulations. How come right there I don't see this? Email. I bought the SQ calls. Where's that email in that string? SQ calls lost. The stock had disappointing earnings and went down and lost all the money on the options. Great, dude. You guys are good, but at least show some of the losers, man. Makes it a little bit more attainable. Because options are risky, man, and 9 out of 10 people lose. So if you show winners on every single one, it's kind of like, you know. Look, you have the dancing girls in front of the bar and shit, and you're like, hey, come on in, the place is packed. and everyone's like, whoa, look at the sick and God. And then you go in and they're not even in there. And neither is the moderators. They're at another one. It's like, holy shit, someone else is selling their stuff. They're doing the real estate. Amazing. Whatever. It is what it is. I don't send out. You can see every one of my newsletters. I picked Pier 1 imports. Still 90 cents. Went to $1. Picked ADT Security. Breaking out at $6.90. Letters. Let's see. Last one right here on 5/3 was GameStop. GME. GameStop. GME. To go through 9. It's right at 9. Hasn't made its move yet, but I like the GameStop. The last pick. One before that was EXPR at 370. Recent few picks that were great with Tilray, PRPO, PIR, CFRX, Zkin, ANFI, and Zynga. This is EXPR at 370. EXPR is 397 going into 4. One before that was PIR at 90 cents. Pier 1 imports on April 29th. PIR. And right here on May 1st, it went to $1.10. The one right before that was 2 new picks, which was the TZA and the UVXY on Monday, April 29th, and ADT at 660. Those were the 2 that went before that timestamp on April 29th. Right there. And then the one before that was PRPO. And TZA, by the way, at 870 is $9 and change and higher. TZA is 890 right now, headed into 9, and already went last week to 935. And then PRPO, big winner right here, went to $10.80, which on a pre-split basis is 10 cents. This is where I picked it, right here, at 50 cents. It's equivalent of $5. It went up 100%. CFRX was right before that one at 45 cents in this base. X. CFRX went to on 410 80 cents. And here it's at 45 cents. So it's a 100% winner on CFRX from April 4th. And Zkin right before that, right here at $1.85 on Zkin. MOJO Swing Trade Newsletter. AIN went right here to $2.39 on 426 from $1.85. So the picks have just been really outstanding for the MOJO Swing. SPY really dropped, man. It's all right, but I'm done for the day, so let it do whatever it really wants to do today. I've already made my trades. So this further drop in the SPY is now 289.725. 289.725 from 289.850. So it's right down here now, at around right here. And these are the volumes that have traded on these particular contracts. Very liquid. Just like the SPY is. Look, the stock's traded 3.5 million shares. It's $300 a share. It's a lot of money, man. I read this article right here on my Twitter. This fund made, dude, like look at the wealth everyone's making in the market. Here's my thing with the stock trading thing, guys. You fill out this form and you get it going. Look, I got 25,000 impressions in the last 25,000 people looked at my tweets in the last one day. Pretty good. Show you right here the money these guys made. Free chat room. Click that link, guys. Come on in. Pro Trader Allen has had a 2-year win streak without losing one day in the MOJO Day Trade Room. 2 years and 1 month. 500 days in a row. He's taken MOJO University, my course, 7 times. 7. And he'll take it again in 2017, which he did. If you had invested in Amazon right after the IPO, holy moly, you'd have a lot. If you would have invested with Buffett $10,000 when he started, it's like worth $185 million, dude. It's a crazy amount. Curaleaf is buying some guts. Curaleaf's a good company, dude. I'll find it. Where's that guy who made all that money? There's my Heinz hat. Day trading competition video in my Mustang. Here. Buffett. No, it's not the one. I post a lot of good things, man. You should follow me on Twitter. I'm always posting the best information without listening to like crazy. Look, Buffett's 2,472,000 return. You look at that. That's that one. If you would have invested with him back then. Isn't that amazing? And look at this. Norway's wealth fund surges 84 billion in profits, dude. Look at this one. So Buffett, dude, if you would have invested in Buffett when it was trading at 24,000 in 1995, those shares would be worth 2.5 billion. Home furnishings, okay. Here, a $10,000 investment 55 years ago would be worth 170 million today. Dude, that's some cakewalk. That's sick. And now look at this Norway's wealth fund surges 84 billion, $16,000 per citizen after it took advantage of the market sell-off to build its massive portfolio. 9.1% or 784 billion. Stocks rose 12%, bonds rose 2.9%, and real estate 1.7%. The fund held 69% in equities, 28% in bonds, and 2.8% in real estate. The fund said he directed the fund to buy almost 30 billion in stocks in November through January to take advantage of a drop in prices and drive its holdings to nearly the 70% limit. Amazing, huh? Ooh, the Spystonians. PRPO's freaking moving, dude. Look, 833 by 5. As soon as I put it up on the screen this morning, it started ticking through 8. Now it's really moving, dude. Precipia. See that Precipia? Amazing. UV's at 36. What a great trading day. What's up, my? Oh, hi, Arthur. Yeah, I'll write to you later. Hi, boys. You want to come up with me, baby? I'm pressing the button. Oh, you can press the button. Ugly computer. I'm trading. Mike. Keep up with Mike. Press the button. Oh, look at the screen. Look at the screen. Look. Look. Oh, he's doing it. Come on. Going. You want to get in on the action too, Mr. Ram? Oh, Mr. Ram wants a trade.
Wake up, buddy. Go ahead. Get. Good boy. Oh, Mr. Ram, a good trader. Right off stopping station. Nice. Hey, Ram. Woo, Ram. Yeah, you're kicking ass, buddy. Nice. You want to come back up too, buddy? All right. Oh, come here. Oh, yes. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You guys want a double trade? Go. Get it. Look at that. U minus 36. What was that, Ram? You don't do that. That's silly. Stupid. All right, boys. That was beautiful. 39, 36, 42. Everyone's worried and MOJO's done trading today. Oh, DWT 61 is 612 again. It went all the way to 608. Holy crap, dude, this shit's volatile, man. The move on CL was just outstanding. I did that. Holy crap. It went from 6110 to 6160. 50 pips straight up. Damn, dude. 50. It went 50 pips at $10 one from that move from 620 right up here down to here. $600 move. Sick, dude, on just one lot. Shit's volatile, man. Gotta be careful. CVS, yeah, healthcare. Yup. Coming out with CDB in all their stores and testing it. Absolutely. Here we go. Market's open. Clicking over to my UV 3601 by 4. Here we go. Bing, 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 bing. And we're off. Look at that shit though. Let's just kick back and watch. Wow. 3620, 3630, go. 3640, go. 3650, go. But I ain't touching nothing. Go. 50, 60. You know, just got to be long. Let that shit go. It's going to go 78. Boom. Help me. Go. Bye-bye. 36. I'm just holding it. If you have it, still half. Rento's got it at 31. It's 35. 36. 36. Thank you. Mr. Rhodesy, if 289 holds SPY, I cover my puts. I'm about to have a heart attack. Ooh, nice. What did 289? What did it hold? Where is that? SPY is 289.44 by 289.45. It's in a 45-cent range from 289 to 289.50. DWP 608. Need to do a trade on that. It's gonna pop back up right here. 609 by 10. Dude, it went. Yeah, this is a good one, right? 608, 607 right there on that DWT. I'm not gonna do it because I'm already following my rules. Done it. But otherwise, let's check out the SPY. SPY be ripping, UV be dipping. We ahead of the game, Mojo. What else we got looking at? What about AMTX doing? Let's see. AMTX. $1.44. $1.45. $1.70. Let's do a trade on that. Do $1.50. AMTX. Go. Put it in for you. Let's get it. Look, 145. 146, 147, 148, 149. Take your choice. Any of those, take your choice. TZA is a beast bone, but it's got to go to 9. Give it a chance. Here we go. 149, 150. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Look at the SPY bar, 289.90 on the SPY billions. That shit's gonna be coming down. 290. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The neighborhood. Market's gonna go back down. Little back downturn, boys. Here we go. $152 on that baby. Told you that shit's dropping, boys. Beautiful play on that SPY right there, homies. Told you that shit's dipping, dropping. All right, what do we got? All right, let's see what we got. $29.25 spike on the SPY. Short it right here. Good. 290.30. Short that shit. Told you, here it goes. Great play. Alpha dog's moving a little bit. Alpha dog. Where is that one? 679 on the Alpha dog. $680 half is moving. APHA, one of the leaders. Right here, APHA, 675, 67 may make a move right here, so keep an eye on that. Everybody have a great day. Thank you for watching the MOJO Day Trading Show. It's been a pleasure. I'll see you on the next one.